Hello and welcome to today's trend video. It's Sunday, which means we are planning for the week ahead with a nice trends video. And today's trends video, we're going to focus on a specific trend. The whole video is going to be based around this trend. And this isn't necessarily a trend, it's more a day of the year. And I feel like you might be able to guess what it is. Let me know in the comments if you can guess what day we're going to be talking about. And don't cheat, don't skip ahead. See if you can guess. Now, before we get into it, don't forget to smash that like button with all of your might because it does wonders for the YouTube algorithm, and I really appreciate everyone that contributes and helps to these videos getting more views. So without further ado, I'm recording my screen here, and I want to just tell you we're not just going to focus on Redbubble today, we're going to look at designs on Etsy and merch by Amazon. So hopefully you'll get a nice broad view of places you can sell this trend. And another thing to note is we're not looking at specific designs like we normally do on a Trends Sunday video, because normally we'll look at individual designs and we'll see how we can recreate those. No. Today we're looking at the trend as an overall, and we're just looking at designs as an overall, and we're going to try and just get some ideas, like creative juices flowing, as I like to say, and kind of pick and choose. So the day is St. Patrick's Day. Now, I know that's not really a trend, it's a day of the year, but St. Patrick's Day is a huge day for print on demand. And let me know in the comments if you got it right. Did you get St. Patrick's Day right? Anyways, St. Patrick's Day is a huge day for print on demand, and I thought I want to get in really early and make this video for you because I want to give you as much time as possible to get your designs uploaded onto every platform you possibly can and hopefully get as many sales as you possibly can. So don't wait too long. Plan your week, plan this week, hopefully around this video, so that on Monday you know that you can post a couple of designs, Tuesday a couple of designs, Wednesday a couple of designs. That is the aim, and that's why I like creating these on a Sunday. So let's go and start with Redbubble for some St. Patrick's Day designs. So starting with the first one, St. Patrick's Day, right? This keyword is trending, and we're just going to quickly talk about keywords. So St. Patrick's Day is trending. It's got the trending line on it. St. Paddy's is also trending. It's got the trending line on it. And Happy St. Patrick's Day is also trending. So those are three keywords that are relevant. They wouldn't be considered tag spamming or anything like that. They're brilliant and they're all trending. So that's really good. Now, the only thing about them is Happy St. Patrick's Day has 20,000 results, St. Paddy's has 25,000 results, and St. Patrick's Day has 84,000 results. So the competition is there. You've really got to stand out. And when I say stand out, I do not mean tag spam. I mean try and create something that really catches people's attention, gets you sales, and hopefully gets you to the top of Redbubble. So starting with St. Patrick's Day, let's have a look at some designs that really stick out to me. We're going to ignore this Nike one because Redbubble, remove this design, please. My gosh. How many videos do I have to feature this design before Redbubble actually take a hint? Anyways, so some designs that I really like. So Eat, Drink, and Be Irish, or Eat, Drink, Be Irish. That is a great design, okay? Brilliant design. And bear in mind, you don't just have to work on t-shirts for St. Patrick's Day. You can do coffee mugs, stickers, socks is a good one, pillows is a good one, t-shirts is obviously a really good one, and t-shirts is the most popular one. But you know what I think will be popular this year? Face masks. Definitely try doing face masks, because I think everyone's going to have to be wearing face masks during St. Patrick's Day this year if they're doing anything. So they're definitely going to want to wear a St. Patrick's Day face mask. So that could be a huge seller. So don't disregard face masks. Right, this is a cool design. I'm liking this. Let me zoom in. I'll open it up in another tab. Let me just go through the ones that I really like, and then you can kind of see. There we go. I'm just opening up three. Okay, let's open up three. And again, what is best cat dad ever doing under St. Patrick's Day? Let's have a look. I'm curious. Let's have a look. I feel like they've tag spammed. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Okay, so my thoughts were correct. With this best cat dad ever, they haven't tag spammed in the sense of repeating tags, but they have tag spammed in the sense of happy men celebrate youth, nana daughter, uncle, big him, son, vintage animal, Xmas, year. So yeah, they've completely, couples, Christmas, no. They've completely tag spammed in the sense of just using popular tags to get their listing up to the top. So let's exit out of these people. I don't want to give them any more free advertising. And let's start with this one. So this is a very, very easy design. They're charging £17.56. You don't have to charge as much. You can make a lot less money, you know, per design, but sell way more if you sell it for maybe 14 or 15 pounds. And also maybe deselect some of them, like the all over design is a bit weird. But this is a very, very simple design. You could probably make it a bit better. So that's not bad. Irish lass full of sass. This is a brilliant face mask. Well done. Except £10.55 for a face mask. That's quite expensive. But anyways, whatever. That's what they want to charge. This is a really, really good design. And then this is great. Shut up, liver. You're fine. Amazing. Again, I don't know why people are charging nearly £18. It's ridiculously expensive for a t-shirt. Really expensive, but those are some really cool designs. All right, let's have a look at the next one. St. Paddy's. So again, these are all very similar keywords. They're just different ways of saying them. So you've got a face mask over here. That's a very, very cool one. Very easy. I like this one. I just don't know if that's allowed with the Irish flag. I'm not entirely sure. Paddy's Irish pub is good. Lucky Charm. It's good, but you could make it way better. The socks is cool. What could be cool is to sell a design for everything, for leggings, for socks, for everything, because people like to go out in the full garb. They like to wear everything St. Patrick's Day. So very potentially you could sell an entire outfit, which could be very cool. And then Happy St. Patrick's Day. So I don't know what Catch Yourself On is, but you've got St. Patrick's Day there. So over here we've got another one with leprechauns. I've never seen one with leprechauns before, so that's cool. That's the first design I think we've come across that have leprechauns on it. So I'm surprised that no one has incorporated that. And we can always do a simple Google search. What is associated with St. Patrick's Day? We'll see a lot of green, we'll see drinks, we'll see leprechauns, we'll see all these different things that we could easily include in our designs. Right, let's go over to Etsy. Now, Etsy is a cool way of seeing what is really trending, what is selling well. So we've searched St. Patrick's Day t-shirt, and we're going to open the first three, okay? That's not really a St. Patrick's Day t-shirt, so we're going to go to Dibs on the redhead. Right, that's the next one. Now, the way I like to see if something is doing well on Etsy is to look at their reviews, okay? And I've said this in a previous video. Right, you can go down to the bottom and you can sort by newest, right? And we can see the latest review is the 2nd of November 2020, and then the one before that was 20th of May. So these people probably aren't selling very many. They might have 12,000 reviews, but that's reviews for the shop. This individual item only has 20 reviews. So they're probably not selling very many of this t-shirt. But by the way, £13.79, that's a good price for a t-shirt. And right, let's have a look at the next one. The next one is, I said £19, it's ridiculous. This has got 15 reviews, but the last review was 15th of April, so I doubt they've made a sale in a very long time. And then Dibs on the redhead. This has got, the last review was 16th of January 2021. 16th of January 2021. A lot on the 16th of January 2021. So, except these aren't for this product. This is for custom name, I hate everybody. So that's actually very misleading to show reviews that aren't for the individual product. But that's for this one, which is very annoying. But it's cool to actually see. You can go to this person's shop and see which products are selling really well. And you can see they're selling products every single day. So that's really, really cool. And it's all different kind of products. So toss a coin shirt to your dungeon. I don't know what that means, but either way, that's a cool way to see what is trending on Etsy, to look at the product reviews and then also see what other products are selling within those people's shops. And finally, we are going to go to Merch by Amazon Searcher. So it's just a Merch Informer thing, and we're going to search St. Patrick's Day, which I've already done. And this is just to get ideas. This is not to see what is doing well. It's kind of to get ideas so you can put it on Redbubble. Maybe you can put them on Etsy or even Merch by Amazon. But you can see here, right, like for example, this one, Love. That is a great design. You can easily work around that and make something similar, but obviously your own. But that's a brilliant piece of artwork, right? That's cool. Let's Get Lucked Up. That's cool. This one is cool. These ones here are all really cool, and what you could do is you could do the shamrock with different silhouettes. So people who like certain dogs, like this person's done dogs with a shamrock, right? But you can do green, or what you could do is you could do a different shamrock for the different countries or different places, because everyone celebrates St. Patrick's Day. It's everywhere. It's not just in Ireland. So that's really cool that you could do a St. Patrick's Day shamrock, but have a bit of green, maybe have a green border, but then have the country's colours inside so that they feel like, oh, they're part of it in a way. So that is Amazon, and this is brilliant, this one. I really like this one. Everyone is a little Irish on St. Patrick's Day, except the Scottish. We are still Scottish. Brilliant design. So you can really get a huge range of ideas from all these different platforms, all these different websites. So what I recommend, my plan for you this week, is to every single day, Sunday, maybe not today, maybe take the day off today, but Monday through to next Sunday, take half an hour to an hour, just focus time, put some music on, maybe put some headphones on or something, and just design 1 to 2 St. Patrick's Day t-shirts and upload them onto at least 3 sites. This is my challenge to you. Upload them onto Redbubble, upload them onto maybe Merch by Amazon if you're able to, and maybe TeePublic or Society6 or Etsy, whatever platforms you like, maybe even eBay, whichever ones you want to. Then by the end of the week, hopefully you'll have a solid maybe 10 designs uploaded a good month and a half, 2 months before St. Patrick's Day. So hopefully that can lead to some sales. So let me know in the comments down below if this is going to go well for you, if you think this is going to go well for you, if you had any success with St. Patrick's Day up until now. And yeah, and just thank you so much for watching. This was Sunday's trend video. I hope you liked it, and I'm looking forward to seeing you, well, in tomorrow's video, but also in next week's Sunday trend video, or Sunday's trend video. Thanks for watching.